Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset suggested memories in photos on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on home screen, tap on the settings icon. And in settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on photos. Next, in photos setting, go down and tap on reset suggested memories. Then it said that resetting will allow previously blocked places, dates, and holidays to once again be included in new memories. If you're ready, tap on the reset button, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.